So how you can fade an image in Figma? So we're gonna add fade effect into this image, place the image into your project, and once you have that, we want to add some rectangle. You can click R or press R on your keyboard and just place it above your image. And now we want to place it behind that image. So simply right click and send to back. So it's gonna be like this. Now we're gonna change the color of that rectangle. So select the rectangle and on the right go to fill. Right now you are in solid section and I want to change it to gradient. So click on gradient and change both colors to black color, like this one and also this one. But on the bottom one we're gonna reduce the opacity. So you can do it here or just move it here. So this is gonna be our result. Now we're gonna select both objects, the rectangle and the image, right click and use as mask. So here you can see the fade effect. If you go again to fill section, you can customize it. So if you grab this bottom point, you can move it and you can reduce or increase the fade effect. If you want to, you can rotate it from the upper side to the bottom and also change it like you want. You can also reduce the fade effect grabbing this point down, and there is only a bit of the fade effect. And this is simply the first way how you can do it. We have also another option how you can do it. We can add the color on the top of that image. So select the image and on the right we wanna add another fill and choose the color which you want, but also go to gradient section. Now we are in solid, so go in gradient and now we're gonna change that color to blue one, and down here we're gonna reduce the opacity, and now we have the colorful fade. So it's gonna be like this. If you want to add the fade effect, we're gonna increase the percentage here, so it's gonna be more faded. And also if you click that, you can change the direction of that fade if you want to, increase it, also reduce it if you want to, just like that. And it's basically how you can do it. You can increase it here to 100% and you can play with it. And these were the two options how you can use fade effect of an image. If you have any questions, leave a comment, make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.